Hey guys, this is an explanation and solution to the problem Domino Piling. It's Codeforces problem 50A. So first of all, we get M and N, and it's like the dimensions of a rectangle. So you're given a rectangular board of n times n squares. Also, you are given an unlimited number of standard domino pieces of 2 to 1 squares. You are allowed to rotate the pieces. You are asked to place as many dominoes as possible on the board so as to meet the following conditions. So number 1, each domino completely covers 2 squares. 2, no 2 dominoes overlap. And 3, each domino lies entirely inside the board. It is allowed to touch the edges of the board. Find the maximum number of dominoes which can be placed under these restrictions. So for the first one, we get that 2 times 4, that's 8. And if we divide that by 2, which is like the size of the domino, since it's a 2 by 1, then we can fit 4. But if it was like a 3 by 3, that would be, if you multiply those, you get a 9. And then if you divide that by 2, we get 4.5, but you can't have like 0.5 of a domino, so you can only put 4 in. Alright, so in this, let's implement an idea. So we'll have an int n and an m, and we'll see them in n and m, and we'll create, I guess we'll call it total, and that would equal to I think it's n times m. I think that's how it works. Yeah. Brain freeze. Yeah, in total would be n times n, m, because that's like the total area, I guess. And now if we run some if statements, if total divided mod 2 is equal to 0, which means it can be divided into 2 and there's no remainder, then we would just print out total over 2. And else, then we still see out total over 2 since of integer division. So let's see. Let's try 2 and 4 once it loads. 2, 4. Yeah, it's 4. So now if we try 3, 3, it's 4. And if we try like a big number, 100, 10,000, and this number, which is even, it should be whatever that is. So yeah. Let's try a smaller number, 10 and 9. Yeah, so it'd work like that. Alright, let's see. Yeah, it can't be bigger than 16. So that's, yeah, okay, let's see. So I probably shouldn't have put in that gigantic number. Oops, nope, not that. This. Should be accepted. Yep, okay. So to recap, all we did was get n and m, which we see in, and we find the total, which is the area. And if that mod 2 is 0, which means it's even, then we just print out total over 2, and else, then we just see out total over 2 because of integer division. So thank you for watching.